If you're looking for an incredible beach property with the perfect combination of location, proximity to the beach, community amenities, as well as safety and security, then you're going to love seeing the tour that I have for you today of Alerio Unit E404. Today I'm coming to you from Miramar Beach, and this property is just steps away from those beautiful white sand beaches and those emerald waters. Hi, my name is Andy Beal with Real Broker, and today I'm excited to take you on a tour of my newest listing here in Miramar Beach. If you've been exploring the possibility of owning a beach property, I'd love to connect with you and serve as your guide. You can find all of my contact information in the description below or scan this QR code. Come and join me for a tour of Alerio E404. Welcome to Alerio, a private gated condo community right across the street from the sugar white sands of Miramar Beach. As you step inside this top floor corner unit, you're greeted by soaring 10-foot ceilings, crown molding, and a bright open layout. The kitchen is beautifully finished with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and plenty of space for both cooking and gathering with friends. Step out onto your private balcony, the perfect place to enjoy your morning coffee or relax as the sun sets after another day at the beach. The spacious guest bedroom offers comfort and privacy, complete with its own ensuite bath, making it ideal for family and visitors. Your owner's suite is a true retreat with generous space, natural light, and a spa-inspired ensuite bathroom. The ensuite bath features an oversized vanity with ample storage and a beautiful tile walk-in shower with a sleek glass enclosure, creating a spa-like experience right at home. Outside in the hall, you'll find the owner's closet and a convenient laundry space with a stacked washer and dryer, designed to make beach living simple and stress-free. And here's what truly sets this property apart. From your front door, it's just a short stroll across the street until your toes are in the sand. This incredible beach access makes the condo one of the best values on the Emerald Coast. Now, flying back to Alerio, you'll enjoy fantastic amenities, including a seasonally heated pool, relaxing hot tub, and grilling area, all within the privacy of this gated community. Well, as you can tell, Alerio Unit E404 has a lot to offer. If you can see yourself enjoying your morning coffee here from the balcony, or a lazy afternoon by the pool, or those gorgeous sunset strolls at the beach just across the street, this Alerio condo may be calling your name. Whether you're looking for a serene getaway, a smart investment, or both, this property delivers. For all the complete details about this property, you can scan this QR code or the one in the description below. And if you'd like to schedule a private tour, reach out to me at the contact information in the description, or you can scan this QR code to schedule a call. I hope you enjoyed the tour of this beautiful unit. And if I can answer any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'm happy to help. Until next time, make it a great day on 30A.